Are you making this mistake? We see this every day. Companies come to us and say, hey, optimize our blankety blank, our channel, our website, our blog posts. And we tell them, we look at them and say, you're doing it wrong. Are you making this mistake? Hi, I'm Scott Schaefer. I'm with the Real Creative Agency. And what we do is we help you get found on the web, whether it's your website or your YouTube channel. And what our channel is all about, we offer SEO tips, how to get found with your YouTube channel and your website. And if you want to subscribe, click the little brain with the light bulb for more content. Now, let's get back to that mistake that most people make. And the number one thing, people come to us and they say, okay, optimize it. No, it doesn't work that way. The way SEO, search engine optimization, works, okay? Search engine, people are searching for content. And you need to create content around those searches. So the searches are already out there. You can find them. Go to Google, YouTube, type in any keyword around your product, how to hit the golf ball longer, and you'll see all the different ways people ask that question. Those are the questions that people are asking already. They've told you. Google and YouTube tell you what people are asking. Now, your job is to create content for those questions, for those keywords, okay? That's how it works. You find the questions first, the keywords, then create the content. That is how SEO works. What most people do though, they create content and then they look for keywords and key phrases to put it into. And you just can't do that. It's a chicken and the egg thing here, okay? You gotta look to see what people are searching for to create the content that can be optimized for the search. So it's search first, then the content, not the other way around. So if you're doing it, if you're creating content and then looking for keywords, wrong. It's the wrong way to do it. Very simply, go to Google, go to YouTube, search for the phrases that people search for your content or your product, your service, write them down, create content for those searches. Help Google and YouTube out. That is how you'll get found. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. We have a lot more tips. We will help you get found on the web. We are SEO experts. If you want more tips, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see how we can help you with your website or YouTube channel, contact us at realcreativeagency.com. Thank you.